My name is Jill Marco and I'm from Bloomington, Minnesota. And I learned about Dr. Baumgartner from a friend of a friend who was also here and had stem cell injections in his knees. And prior to the stem cell injections that I had in July, life was very difficult. Even just walking in my home was very painful. Cooking, I love to cook and bake, and to stand for any length of time was very painful. And so I checked out Dr. Baumgartner and did my research on stem cells. And on my left knee, I had the shot of dextrose, and then I had the stem cell injection, and then I had the PRP in July. And then in August, I had the PRP done to my right knee. It wasn't a walk in the park. I had my moments of pain, but it was controlled, and now I'm just so grateful. I can live. Before, I would say it was probably an 8 to 9 out of 10, and now maybe a half. And that's just when I've been on my feet maybe a little too long, or I've sat for too long. I saw my sister who had a knee replacement. I did not want to go through that. You're awake for the stem cell injections. It's less invasive. It's using your own body to heal yourself. And who doesn't want that? That's, to me, is so much better than having something artificial placed in your body.